For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. Hey guys, it is Wise from ystech.org here, and today we've got a cool unboxing. So this is the G.Skill Trident Z RGB, and it's DDR4 3200 CL16. So pretty cool, to be honest with you guys. Much of an upgrade compared to my 16 gigs. I've actually felt a little bit of lag recently on 16 gigs. If you guys want to see the code down here, there you go. So DDR4 3200 CL16, 16, 18, 18, 38 on 1.35 volts. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty tried and trusted. G.Skill Trident, so pretty good. Let's go ahead and get it installed and unbox. So let's see what we've got inside. Cool, so we got the two kits of DDR4. Do keep in mind these kits are quite tall, so make sure they actually fit in your PC. I'm doing a little bit of a gamble right now. We're gonna check if it fits, but not really sure. So that's what it looks like up close. One of the kits. Got a nice brush aluminium on it, which is cool. I think it comes with some stickers as well. Just one sticker here, G.Skill, if you want to slap that on your PC. But let's go ahead and install these guys in my computer right now. So I'm just gonna check if they do actually fit. They should. I'm not really sure in this case, but should be just fine. We'll go ahead and install them now, so I'll bring you guys down a little bit so you guys can see. Push it over to the side. Cool. So we're just going to take the old kits out. We have pretty much everything back in place, and we'll just do a click here, see if everything works. Cool, I think that's a good sign. RAM is lighting up, screen is on, and we'll just check that we actually have 32 gigs. I don't really know what speed it's operating at right now, but that's at 2666, but we do have about it's 32 gigs on this, so you guys can see that here. Cool, so my mouse feels a little bit laggy, which is weird. We'll just go here and set it. We'll just set it to DCOP. It should all be auto set. Cool, and we'll just exit here. Save changes and exit. Cool, so hopefully we'll get into Windows like this. That looks like RGB puke over there, holy moly. That's crazy. Okay, so we'll boot into Windows, just make sure that it's detecting and at the right speed. Please wait, it's probably because I shut down the PC incorrectly. Should be all good. Didn't load correctly. Okay, that's all good. So I am still on a B350 board, so it's a little bit slow, but it's okay. Cool. Cool. So just take a look here. Cool, so we got 32 gigs operating at 3200, so that's great. Don't have to do anything special. Looks like it's all installed. We'll try some stability stuff and see how it goes, but I'm really happy with this RAM. And it comes, yeah, I mean, my computer looks like RGB puke right now, but we'll have to sort that out. But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check out wisetech.org for all these post reviews and much more. I'll see you guys there at wisetech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!